welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique Hercules, and today, hot yoga every day for 7 days. This is gonna be epic. Hey guys, class just ended. As you can see, I am dripping wet with sweat. It's not gross because it's my own sweat, but I'm like literally soaked in it and I'm pink, super pink. So just so I can tell you a little bit about my past and like my fitness level currently entering this challenge is I'm 5'4", I'm about 155 pounds. I don't really expect to lose weight on this. The reason I'm really doing this challenge is because I have a back injury and a hip injury, and I am in post-recovery from physical therapy. And I've tried to go back into the gym and like slowly start working out, but I feel like my body just isn't there yet, and it's really bothering to me to like work out and to be sore but in more pain in my back and in my shoulders. It just really sucks. It's not helping my goals at all. So I decided to do hot yoga every day for 7 days just to see if it will really help my back, my mobility. Maybe I might lose weight. I don't know. I won't complain if I do though. I will be so ecstatically happy if I were to lose weight. Oh my god. I'm super excited to be doing this challenge. So I really want to let you know like my background in yoga and Pilates. I really don't have much of any. I used to do yoga and Pilates like on YouTube videos and like DVDs growing up with my mom. And other than that, I'm not like a yogi. I'm not super flexible. Well, actually I am kind of flexible, but that's mostly from dance. So the flexibility I do have is from dance. I can't do a split. I'm not that flexible yet, but hopefully if I can after this challenge, I'll be really grateful. So I plan on doing this at solo, keep doing this to myself, Soul Yoga of Florida. There's one right here in Miami. I'm super excited to try it out because I've heard really great reviews and results. If you go on ClassPass or just on Yelp, you see like everyone adores this class and the studio instructors. So I'm very excited for that because I want to be in an environment which can promote healing and joy, and just I want to look forward to going there, because if I'm going to be kicking my butt doing something in a hot behind room, I should at least have a good time while I'm there, you know? I've never done hot yoga before, but I have done like regular yoga, and regular doesn't really bother me. I know it's a lot of core work, and I haven't really worked out my core in God knows how long. So we're gonna see what happens to me. Hopefully I don't die. Even if I do, I'll get reborn so much stronger after my yoga class. Anyway, I'm super excited. I don't know what to expect really. I'm not supposed to bring a mat. They said I didn't have to, and just like a towel for my mat to go over it, because I guess I'm gonna be sweating a lot. I'm not gonna wear shoes while I'm there, and lots of water. That's all the instructions I got. I'm super excited. Don't know what to expect. Low-key nervous, but we'll see what happens. By the way, you guys, if you like this video, or if it offers you anything at all, or if you just like my face, please subscribe down below. There'll be something right here that says subscribe. You should do it. Hey guys, so I literally just got back from my hot Pilates class, and wow. So this was my last day 7 of my hot yoga, hot Pilates class, and it has been amazing. I'm literally soaking wet still. Like I literally just got back soaked, but I am so happy that I did this challenge and I stuck through it. There was like literally a day where I was just like, I am dying. Specifically, I have to say that yoga was my hardest, just because of the fact that it was so hard on my wrist. And I plan on going back and do hot yoga and Pilates more, because I have seen amazing results healing wise in my body. I have gained so much mobility, and I have like gone stronger doing hot yoga and Pilates. I can also say that I am super happy because my pain has gone down significantly. So my pain went down significantly with the physical therapist and with me going to the chiropractor. And I'm probably gonna just do it for a month at this point because I love it. I've had great results. So let's begin. My first class I did was hot Pilates actually, and I didn't know I was doing the beginner class, but I was doing the beginner class and it still kicked my butt. it was intense. And then today I did pretty much like the harder version of the Pilates class. It still kicked my butt, don't get me wrong, but it was nowhere close to how I felt during the first class. So when I did the first class, I was actually having lots of pain in my lower back, and it actually followed me into the next day. And then the day after that, I did hot yoga, and after that my pain went away. Okay, let's go back to the first class. Class 1, hot Pilates. While doing that, I felt a lot of pain and tightness in my lower back, and I literally felt like there was like a lump in my lower back. Like when I was laying on the mat and I was like doing like rolling on my back a little bit, I could feel like a lump, and it really made me concerned. I even like had my husband like look at it. I was like, is there like a lump in my back? And I've come to the conclusion that might just be like a really, really, really tight muscle, and that's why I was in so much pain, because today in class when I was rolling on my back, I no longer feel a lump, which I haven't been feeling a lump since about class 3. So the lump went away quickly, but I was also like, it is hot in there. Like every time I come out, if you guys watch my IG stories, I show you guys that I am literally soaked. So day 2 was hot yoga. It was amazing. But I never really had like a hot yoga class literally kick my butt. I was literally like sore the next day, which I've never been sore from yoga. Like if anything, worst case scenario, my abs are sore. But no, my abs, my butt, my arms, they were all sore, especially like my shoulders and my trap, which I figured is because I was holding myself up a lot in these positions, and I was just like, what the heck is happening? So yeah, that's what happened. Day 3 was hot yoga again, actually. So day 3 was hot yoga again. Amazing. I still feel like a lot of stretching in my wrists. Maybe my wrists don't have much mobility in them. Also, I do work like desk lifestyle, like I'm always typing, so it might be from that, like all the typing I've been doing. So that's a big possibility for me. And then day 4, I did stretching. So you can do hot yoga class, but the class is primarily for like flexibility and mobility. It was amazing. I like loosened up my hip flexors so much. It felt so good. So I actually feel like I pulled something in my hip flexor like day 4. I don't even know what day I'm on. So day 4 and 5 was stretching. Day 6 and 7 was hot yoga, and then hot Pilates was the last class, which I did today, which was also amazing. So 1 whole week, great results. And last but not least, Pilates and yoga, my last 2 days. Yoga still hurts my wrist, but I have gotten more flexible and I can withstand like the workout longer. Pilates, I did the harder class today. It kicked my butt. Literally the beginning half of the class, I was just like, what did I sign myself up for? But it was good still. I definitely want to keep going back to hot yoga, do it more. I would preferably do it for like another 3 weeks before I really want to commit to like a gym and start working out again, because I feel like when I started working out again, I was just in so much pain because my body hadn't worked out in a while because I couldn't work out, and the only workouts I was doing was physical therapy workouts. And I find that now that I have healed from the yoga and the hot Pilates and just being in the hot class and opening your muscles and stretching it out and working out through that, I can probably go back into working out in the gym, like in a traditional setting. So I'm super excited for that, and I know you guys want to hear if I lost any weight. So fun fact, I actually started my day 1, I was actually on the ending of my period. So I was actually at 158. And now I'm at like 155, but that's how much I started when my period is not happening. So I don't think I really lost weight, honestly. If anything, I lost a lot of water weight. Also, I definitely gained muscle. Like, I feel stronger, definitely gained muscle for a fact. Personally, I'm not really using it for weight loss. I don't think that I train hard enough to lose weight at hot yoga. But one thing I will say is that you have to drink water. You lose so much water in the class. I have committed myself to drinking 2 24 ounces of water. after class and then 1 24-ounce before class, because you just lose so much water and you get dehydrated really quickly throughout the day. So will I suggest for other people to do this? Heck yeah, do it, especially if you are recovering from some sort of injury and you have been cleared to do it. I say do it. And let's see, maybe I'll record hot yoga for a month. Let me know if you guys would like that. If I do hot yoga for a month, would you want to see it? My results. Hopefully I'm just more flexible and I'm stronger and I can withstand the class. Maybe I'll lose some weight. Maybe I'll like for summer. I would love this troop for summer. That's my goal. Tiny waist, please. Lower fat percentage. But anyway, y'all, that's the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, do everything, because it really helps my channel and I want to grow and be great for you guys, and heck, I want to be great for myself. So have a great day. Bye.